But it's better than Carl, because levity is the actual word, but I just thought I needed to find an E word that captured it so that we could have care instead of Carl. Like APA instead of physical facilities professionals or whatever. I couldn't find I'm looking all over the internet. What is APA? I like to get out and run, so because I've got a gut to get rid of and work on, and I like to also run so that I can eat the food that I will inevitably be eating at hotels, room service, and whatever other event food that they put out. I'll have seconds and thirds. I'm a big man, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm sucking in right now. Because if I wasn't, it would be something along this line. But anyway, so qualifies them as a people person is that they actually care about people. They're just incapable of really expressing it. There was a guy at the front desk when I checked in, and I know I'm 52, my hearing's starting to get weird. Like, I hear what people are saying, I just can't understand what they're saying sometimes, especially if there's a lot of people talking. The lobby was really crazy, and this sweet young man at the front desk was like, "Welcome to the Sheraton. Let's get you out there." What? I mean, I said, you have to speak up. We'll have you in the tower building. It's 4th floor. It's access to the Sheraton Lounge. Listen, Jimmy, raise it up. I can't hear you. That's just a small piece of sometimes what a T2 is about. And maybe he's not a T2. Maybe I'm just a deaf old freak. I don't know. Well, it's great. Hey, happy 35th anniversary. Exciting news. It's good stuff. And I thought it was kind of cool. I don't know if you keep track of, like, what anniversary is what, like what gift you give or whatever. But I mean, I think it's like really cool. Like, the coincidence is crazy that the 35th anniversary is choral, right? I mean, that's just like, so it's like kismet. It's like it was meant to be, because your theme, soaring higher, and then, sharp, jagged rocks at the bottom of the ocean. I mean, it's like the way it came together must have just been God-sent, truly. This is kind of what it looked like, years ago. We would just kind of plug our headphones in and shut out the world. Do you remember those CD players, the CD Walkman? Yeah, not a lot of quality walking going on. You might as well just strap a turntable to your crotch. You're trying to listen to Foreigner or whatever, and it's skipping all over the place. I remember I had to run like this, So dumb. Today it's the exact same construct. It's just totally opposite is all. You just... $1,700 later, and you've got a quality pair of headphones you could have stolen from your grandma's house, because she's had those since the 30s. This is her prize for the furthest flying award is an official Whammo 175-gram official size and weight ultimate Frisbee, ultimate sports disc, they call it. These are the best. They fly just so straight and true on a windy day. You're breaking the bridge of someone's nose. It's the best. But look what it says on the back. Highly competitive play is encouraged, but never at the expense of the bond of mutual respect between players, adherence to the agreed-upon rules of the game, or the basic joy of play. This philosophy remains core to the game and is a compelling reason why athletes continue to play. I love that. I mean, you could almost take that word for word and put it on a wall and just change out athletes and players to, like, associates or employees or whatever. I'm going to play a little curve, so if it starts that way, don't be afraid. Now, if I play it short, some of you might have to catch it here, and then I'll try it again. So I have no calibration whatsoever. It's just all stay where you are. Do not move. Oh, I'm good. Oh. I'm sickened. I'm sickened by the quality of that throw. Oh, gosh, I'm so old and tired. That just jumping off the stage and running back to Tasmania over there. And I jogged this morning. I mean, maybe that's why I'm tired. But go out on the street, right out here on 16th Street. Check out 100 random adults. How many of them have at least one thing that they carry around with them in their heart or in their mind that is the cause of grief or sorrow or anxiety or fear or whatever? How many would you say? It looks like no one is disagreeing, every stinking one of them. And just looking at this picture of about 80 people, how many are smiling anyway, or at least appear happy or appear not to be unhappy. Not all of them, but a lot. And I would say not enough. There's too many people who just wear what they have in their heart all the time. It's not doing them or anyone any good. So what is levity? When you hear it defined or you read it in a dictionary, you come away generally going, well, that has no place at Express. We dress up. We've recently allowed facial hair, but I'm trying to see if I see any beards. A couple of you. I would have grown one, but I can't. So I'm literally counting the days that this friggin' fad goes away, because I've been emasculated for like 5 years now. You know what I mean? Like, every guy looks like a lumberjack stud. And I'm like, I can get a little peach fuzz in this area here. 3 quick levity truths. First, a sense of humor is linked to higher pay and a faster climb up the corporate ladder. 2, people who successfully use humor at work are seen as more confident and competent. And 3, someone needs to answer the kitchen phone. I love that. Was that yours right on the front row? Oh, and everyone's checking. That is just so great. It's like that old yellow phone hanging on the kitchen wall with the wire all wrapped and knotted. It's okay. Answer your phones. I don't care. Tweet, Google, text. It's all fine. I'm just background noise. I mean, I'm not saying that facetiously. I'm saying literally. Yes. You probably have business. You have buildings that need to be facilitated. Okay. With a PH.